wonderful friends, it's Sonia Miller of Junk Monkey Paint Company, and today is a new day and there is a new project on the horizon. I'm excited, are you? Today I'm going to paint something for myself for my very own bedroom. So you guys know that I'm working here in our new old house, putting it together bit by bit, day by day, and totally enjoying the journey. Thanks for being on it with me. I found this little brown, and I haven't painted it yet either, but little brown stand when I was junking with my sister a couple weeks ago. You saw that on the vlog. And at this point, I've brought two chairs into my space, two different ones. I'll show you actually the ones that I flipped out for these new chairs that I have. And I'm thinking, I feel like I need to change up the little end table that's between them, the little side table that's between them. And so today, I think I found a table that will work really nice between those two chairs. I'll take it down to the garage and we can look at it. You give me your thoughts, and I'm gonna paint it today. And an update after the bike fall. This is where my hip is this morning because I fell off my bike, as you guys know from yesterday's vlog. Go back and watch that unfortunate series of events. But right here, we're still swollen, so gotta take it easy because it's super sensitive to the touch, but we shall go on. I'm a tough cookie, we'll make it. A little bit of furniture painting will make me feel better. So this is the table right here that I want to flip out. This is the brown table. It's got some dents and dings, excuse me, but I was gonna work with it. And as you can see, I put these two chairs. These are chairs, if you heard me talk about a load that we got, or multiple loads we got from Wayfair at one point as part of our furniture business, and they're all like scratch and dent or customer returns. Love these two teal, like silk chairs. They're gorgeous, but this table just doesn't work with it. So I have one downstairs in my garage that I found for all of like $6 while out junking, and I think I'm gonna put it right here. So today we're gonna paint it, and I think I'm gonna do it white. Can you kind of see the idea that I have in mind right here? And then we'll get it in place and we'll see what it looks like together. Anybody else talk to their kitty cat while they're painting and working and getting all set up? This is me to Stanley Cat. Kitty cat, we've got some work to do today. Yes, we do. Get ready. We're gonna do some work. I'm pretty sure if somebody heard me, they'd be like, that girl is cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. We are going to go ahead and clean off this stand here that I've been using to paint my furniture on. And these are the pieces that we did last night on DIY with Home Talk. Bye-bye brownie, frownie. We put this one in Bahama Jade, and I think like the night or two before we put this one in antique lace. But the one that I have in mind for upstairs in my bedroom is actually this guy back here. What do you think of this one? Could it work? I mean, there's also this one. That's a possibility as well. Okay, I went with my gut, which you guys know I always say the gut usually knows. And I went up and I'm like, it's gonna be too small. Let's stick with the original plan, which is this one. I kind of like the legs. I can appreciate the legs that are on it. I love the octagon down here, which is why I think it'll match those chairs quite nice. And honestly, I love the ability to dry brush all this up here. It's under glass. I'm gonna pop these out real quick and paint the underside of this glass and just clean the glass as well. That'll be really nice. And remember, the vanity is in the same space as well. Remember, the vanity has that really pretty, actually I have some of the napkins over here. Do you remember that the napkins have, like, I cut this out as part of it and used for the corners, so it has that scroll sort of look and that fancy schmancy look that I call it. So I think this will actually pair quite nice and just, you know, give a nice elegant feel. It's hard to believe that a brownie frownie piece like this will look elegant when it's done and in place, but it does have potential. There we go. And actually, if you listen to me, just click this, just like touch this. This is actually plastic. I don't care though. Like I was saying last night on my vlog, I don't buy things for like what they're made out of. I just buy them knowing they're gonna fit, they're the perfect size, the perfect shape, they have the potential to be beautiful, right? So we're gonna go ahead and do that. And of course, using our Junk Monkey Paint chalky style sticks to pretty much anything under the sun. Again, whether this is plastic or real wood really doesn't make a difference to me. Now these pieces right here, the hardware, I might just go ahead and dry brush over them as well, and then just kind of distress some of that metal to come through and tie it in, because I don't necessarily want the handles to stick out all that much. So it's not like I need to take them off and then paint them and put them back on. I think I'm gonna blend them in as part of the piece, and it's gonna be distressed overall. All right, help me find my vintage white. All right, vintage white. I'm gonna grab my shabby chip brush. I'm gonna grab one of my shabby chip brushes. I'm gonna grab this one. And we're gonna go to town. Oh, and I'm gonna clean it first too. So I'm gonna clean the inside as well in here. Let's go ahead and do a nice clean. Remember, use your crud cutter, clean, it degreases, it's awesome to work with. So the four glass inserts popped out real easy. I'm gonna put them to the side so they don't get broken. A lot of times you find tables like this and they have that beautiful scroll work on the top, and that's what was missing, is that those glass pieces got broken. So I'm thankful that they were all intact. So I'm gonna move them to the side. I'll clean them with Windex in just a little bit once the piece is finished painted, and then we can put them back on. So let's get going. Vintage white paint, shabby chip brush, you know what happens. All right, guys, and I have gone all over with one coat of our vintage white Junk Monkey paint, and it's just one coat dry brushed all over. You guys know I'm gonna go for a shabby look. So now what I'm gonna do is actually head to the kitchen. I'm gonna fuel up, go drink, eat something. By the time I come back, this is probably gonna be dry, and then I'm going to grab a sand block and just start distressing, and oh my gosh, allowing some of that brownie frownie to come through. This is when I love brownie frownie. It's when, you know, we allow it, we control it, and we allow it to come through, to shine through. I'm gonna grab a sand block. I've already used this before. It has like I think it has antique lace on it, which is a very light color. So I'm gonna grab a used sand pad, even though it has color on it, because I'm going to be using this particular pad on a light piece. So let's continue to make use of it. Now this is what I was saying earlier about I cannot wait to distress this, because the moment we do that, oh my goodness, guys. Do you see all that beautiful fake plastic? We don't care, it's still beautiful. Our distressing is done. I went all over. As you can see, I did the handles, everything. They were brass, which is awesome because you know this piece is gonna into my home and it's gonna fit really nice in my Tudor style home. So I love that. And now, my friends, all we have to do is at this point seal her up. So that way she's protected, our paint job is protected. And of course, this is white porous paint, so it can stain real easy. So that's why we wanna do that. We are gonna use our banana peel. This is a really nice, super thick top coat to provide protection for our piece. So let's go ahead, stir it up, get it on, and then we can get those pieces over in the corner as well, Windexed, and bring her all together. So just do a nice full coverage brush. All the supplies I use here for my videos, guys, that you see me do, you can find at my website at junkmonkeypaint.com. Guys, I'm in the kitchen, and a quick side note, I am loving on this Joseph's Flax Oat Bran whole wheat bread, lavish bread. 9 carbs, and then of course 4 for fiber. So for us who do low carb, you're looking at 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5 net carbs. Ooh, she's looking fine. And that is gonna be my delicious lunch. Ooh, yummy. Woohoo! Well, lunch was amazing. And this is all clean. The poly is dry, and I just went over everything with, of course, some glass cleaner. Oh, how pretty is that? And 4, not bad for one hand. Whoop, whoop. All right, let's go ahead and get her up into the bedroom, put her in place. Those glass inserts just make such a difference, don't they? Make her look extra special. And just to let you know, I decided in last night's vlog to put my candle holders here to do that cluster. And so, you know, I just put that white table in here. We did these in a light color as well to make it all come together. So the room is coming together little bit by little bit. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. I love you forever for doing that. When you guys subscribe, when you give me a thumbs up and you leave comments below, it allows me and motivates me to continue to make full-time content for you guys. And I keep hearing that you guys are loving the videos, so they're gonna keep coming. So what do you think of my makeover today? Have I inspired you to maybe flip out a table in your bedroom or to find something brownie frownie and make beautiful? I wanna know. Let me know below. I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Go paint something, will ya?